हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम हिस्ट्री के वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक महाजनपद के टॉप 35 इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विच महाजनपद was known for its iron production? And the answer is Magad. Second question. How many Mahajanpads were mentioned in Buddhist and Jain texts? And the answer is 16. Third question. Which Mahajanpad was ruled by the Haryanaka dynasty? And the answer is Magad. Fourth question. Which Mahajanpad had its capital at Varanasi? And the answer is Kashi. Fifth question. The capital of Kosala was? And the answer is Sharavasthi. Sixth question. Which Mahajanpad was known for its rich trade and commerce? And the answer is Anga. Seventh question. Which Mahajanpad was a confederation of 8 clans? And the answer is Vajji. Eighth question. Which of the following Mahajanpad was located in present-day Punjab? And the answer is Gandhara. Ninth question. The Mahajanpad of Vatsa had its capital at? And the answer is Kosambi. 10th question. The kingdom of Magad rose to prominence under which ruler? And the answer is Bimbisar. 11th question. Which Mahajanpad had its capital at Rajgarh? And the answer is Magad. 12th question. Which Mahajanpad was associated with the city of Ujjain? And the answer is Avanti. 13th question. Who was the most powerful king of the Mahajanpad Magad? And the answer is Ajashatru. 14th question. The Vajji Mahajanpad was famous for which form of government? And the answer is Republic. 15th question. The famous University of Taxila was located in which Mahajanpad? And the answer is Gandhara. 16th question. Which Mahajanpad was located in Rajasthan? And the answer is Matsya. 17th question. The Mahajanpad Kamboja is believed to have been located in which present-day country? And the answer is Afghanistan. 18th question. Which Mahajanpad was known for its military powers? And the answer is all of the above, that is Kamboja, Gandhara and Kuru. 19th question. Which Mahajanpad's people were called Licchavis? And the answer is Vajji. 20th question. Which Mahajanpad was famous for its cotton textiles? And the answer is Kashi. 21st question. Which of the following was not a Mahajanpad? And the answer is Patliputra. 22nd question. Which Mahajanpad had a king named Udayin? And the answer is Magad. 23rd question. The Mahajanpad were mentioned in which Buddhist text? And the answer is Anugatara Nikaya. 24th question. The Gandhara Mahajanpad was famous for which art style? And the answer is Gandhara. 25th question. Who was the ruler of Kosala during Buddha's time? And the answer is Prasenjit. 26th question. Which Mahajanpad was observed into Magad during Bimbisar's reign? And the answer is Ang. 27th question. The famous Nalanda University was established in which Mahajanpad region? And the answer is Magad. 28th question. Which Mahajanpad was located in modern-day Bihar and had Vaishali as its capital? And the answer is Vajji. 29th question. The Mahajanpad of Kuru had its capital at? And the answer is Indraprastha. 30th question. Which Mahajanpad was considered the most powerful during the 6th century BCE? And the answer is Magad. 31st question. The first known dynasty of Magad was? And the answer is Haryanaka. 32nd question. Which Mahajanpad had close trade relation with Persia? And the answer is Gandhara. 33rd question. Which Mahajanpad was located on the bank of the Godavari river? And the answer is Asaka. 34th question. The Avanti Mahajanpad was divided into two parts by which river? And the answer is Narmada. And the last 35th question. Who was the last ruler of Haryanaka dynasty? And the answer is Naga Dashaka. तो ये थे महाजनपद के टॉप 35 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है द कैपिटल ऑफ द महाजनपद मत्स्य वॉज। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में, एंड आपको ये भी कमेंट करके बताना है कि आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस टॉपिक के ऊपर चाहिए।